What up YouTube, it's Keke and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey boo. For today's video I'm gonna be reviewing the Amor US Cake Pop palette, and I'm gonna also be reviewing their highlighter kit, face and body palette. The reason I know about these brands and I have these two items in my hand right now is because of the new store Riley Rose. I passed through it and I'm like, what is this? Like, it's pink. That's the first thing I noticed. It's a pink store. It has cosmetics. It has cosmetics that I've heard of, but it has a lot of colorful eyeshadow palettes. I just had to get in. I fell in love with the store. I literally fell in love with the store. It's like an Ulta with a better and cuter setup. So if you want to see me review these two palettes and see if it's worth buying, keep on watching. First things first, I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna prime my lids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. Then I'm gonna just set this real quick. To set that concealer, I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier. Now taking my beautiful palette. This is how it looks when you open it up. So here we have some basic matte colors. Then we have some metallic colors, and the best part, we have shimmery glitter colors. And these are like look at this purple. Look how beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that it has like pink inside of the purple. It's like so beautiful. This gold stood out so much. This red stood out OD. Like, this pink is beautiful. I think I'm gonna use this pink today. This is the first time that I am using this palette. I obviously swatched some colors before I purchased the palette, and I fell in love with the pigment. But I'm gonna swatch all the colors for you guys so you can actually see the pigment that it brings. So pretty. Finally unboxing this. Oh my god, this is, oh my god, it looks even better without the seal. Oh my. I'm not gonna swatch every single color. I'm just swatch like the colors that you guys would want to see. Like, it doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna just swatch a few mattes for you guys. Like, I'm gonna swatch this yellow that stood out to me. You might not be able to see it that much because of my ring light, but it's a buildable color and it's a matte. And mattes are always supposed to be built up, so it's not gonna pop that much like a shimmery color or a metallic is supposed to. It was Mango Breakfast. Beautiful name for it. I'm gonna go in with another matte for you guys just to show y'all more varieties, and that's gonna be Blueberry Delight. It's this purple right here. That's the purple, as y'all can see it shows. Now I'm gonna swatch a few metallics for you guys. I'm gonna go in with the bottom purple, Double Berry. And that's with one swatch. As you can see, it's very pigmented. Now I'm gonna go in with Blackberry Crumb. It's like this moonlight color. It's like so pretty. It looks like space. Oh my god. One swatch, bitch. One swatch. The color is so pretty. They look better in person, to be honest. I'm gonna go in with one more metallic. I'm gonna go in with Pink Champagne. One swatch. Very pigmented. So for the glitters, let's start with the gold. It's only right we start with the motherfucking gold. So we're gonna go with Luscious Lemon. Keep in mind that I'm cleaning my fingers with a wipe, so don't think that I'm trying to play that. Oh, I can feel the pigment is not. I spoke to somebody before even looking at this palette. They told me, look at this section, look at this palette. The glitters are so good and they do not wear off. Cause glitter eyeshadows tend to wear off. This bitch told me it doesn't wear off. But we're gonna test it out. So that's the glitter. So I can see it is pigmented. Let's go in with this red right here. So pretty. Wow. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. Now I'm going with this purple. Wow, look. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see it. It's so sparkly. So, oh my god. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, that purple is so pretty. I want to go with boozy pink just to see how it swatches. Wow. First swatch. Wow. That is blinding. So the palette brings a card in the back just to give instructions on how to use it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just read it real quick for y'all. It says, using your favorite Amor US eyeshadow brush, apply and blend evenly on the desired eye area. I'm gonna use my own brushes. It says, try wetting your brush with a setting spray before dipping into the metallic shadows for a foil-like metallic finish. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Crunchy Munch as a transition shade. And I'm using my M433 brush to do so. I love the fact that this palette has a mirror. That is always a plus. For the crease, I'm gonna go in with Rose Ombre. And I'm using my blending brush from Tarte to do so. Now I'm gonna go in with Panna Cotta on my outer V. I'm taking this buffer brush from Tarte to do so. Now I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush to blend everything out together. I'm gonna go back in one more time so I can have a little more pigment. Like I said, the MAC colors had to be built up. Now I'm gonna just do a cut crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Taking this flat brush from the beauty shop to cut my crease. So I like to set the concealer when I cut the crease. I just feel like everything comes out way better like that and it's more clean. So I'm gonna go in with coconut cream to set that. So now I'm gonna just go back with Panna Cotta and bringing back my outer V. Always make sure to blend. Now I wanna go in with Whiskey Pie. This is a metallic color, so we're gonna do exactly what the card told us to. I'm gonna take my setting spray and I'm gonna wet my brush. This is a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It came in the sultry palette. I'm gonna use the flat side of the brush. Let's see what type of vibe this gives us. This is giving me a vibe. I'm not even gonna lie. It's giving me a vibe. It is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this glitter and I'm gonna put it like on where you cut the crease in the beginning. On the rest of my lid, I'm gonna go in with Boozy Pink. I'm gonna just see this. I'm just like playing around right now, you know, like just testing out the waters, just playing with this eyeshadow palette. Going straight in with Boozy Pink on top of my lid. This color is so icy. Wow. So now for the final touch, I'm taking the glitter primer. I'm going in with this angled brush from the beauty shop. And I'm gonna just place the primer where I cut the crease. Now it's time to go in. Going in with Shooting Stars, bitch. That is a vibe. I'm getting princess vibes right now. So I'm just going with some tape so I could define my eyeliner. I'm going in with the jet black liner from e.l.f. Alright, so eyeshadow done. I'm gonna go and do my face off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go back in with Panna Cotta and I'm gonna put this under my waterline. Okay, so I went and applied some lashes. I put on the G800 lashes from AliExpress, about $1.99. I know. I know. I know, bitch. I'm just quickly put on some mascara so I can go in with the highlight. I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex non-waterproof mascara. Now, bitch, now, drum. Now it's time for the most important part of any makeup look. Is the motherfucking highlight, bitch. Okay, so first of all, this whole situation, the whole packaging, the whole everything is just beautiful. Take a look. It brings 3 different highlight shades, which I love. I'm gonna use Love Affair and Stargaze together. Like, I'm gonna use one on one cheek and then the other one on the other cheek, and then I'm gonna mix them. And then since this is a body highlight as well, I'm gonna go in with You're a Gem on my body. Brand new. Seal is just coming out, girl. So I'm gonna take my highlight brush and I'm gonna go in with Love Affair on my left cheekbone. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is so cute. One time, yo, this is with what? Yo, literally one time. Like, I have now dipped back in. I don't know if y'all can see it because of the light, but it's like it has a pink undertone. And oh my god, yo, it goes perfect with my look, yo. It goes perfect. So the eyeshadow palette retails for $15, and the highlighter palette retails for $10. What? I don't even need a I don't need to apply more, bitch. For what? For what? Alright, so I want to test out the other one. So with the other side of the brush, I'm gonna go in with Stargaze. This one has like a more pinkish purple undertone. I'm gonna just apply a little bit more for this one. Okay, that is really pink. Yeah, I like this side more than this side, but this side is so pretty too. Like, I don't know, which side do you guys like more? Let me know, bitch. I'm gonna put some more of Love Affair on this side. See if it blinds. Ooh, that's really blinding. Ooh, a little too blinding. It's coming down a little bit. So on the bridge of my nose, I'm gonna go in with Love Affair, and I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush. I'm gonna mix Love Affair and Stargaze for my inner corner. It's so weird that this one is lighter, but it has more of a pink undertone than this one. That's so weird. I wonder how this one looks. Imagine it's even more pink. Oh my god. So weird. Let's get the brow bone. I'm getting my Cupid's bow now for the body. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let me just take this powder brush. So we're going in with You're a Gem on the body. I'm gonna apply this on my collarbone. Oh, wait, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'm gonna just rewind and I'm gonna go in with my fan brush. I just didn't want to mix the colors, but fuck it. So I'm going on my collarbone, and it actually has a gold undertone. Okay, now I fucking see. Going on my shoulder. Like, honestly speaking, I thought this one was gonna like this one, and I thought this one was just gonna be like a rose gold, like a regular Becca rose gold highlighter. But you know me, I love surprises, so we could work. I'm gonna just go in with this rose gold satin gloss from Victoria's Secret. I don't want to let y'all go, but It's time, y'all. It's time to close the casket. Going in with my e.l.f. makeup mist and sets. Going all around the world. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and share. And if you like any of these products, bitch, go buy it.